One of the most difficult things to do is find yourself in a storm. While in that storm, it seems like everyone who you thought you could count on has walked away. Sometimes it seems like even God himself has forgotten about you. But in spite of that, to still be able to lift your hands and say, Lord, I trust you.
I can see and I can't feel your touch. I will trust you, Lord. How I love you so much. Though my nights may seem long and I feel so alone, Lord, my trust is in you. I surrender to you. So many painful thoughts travel through my mind, and I wonder how I will make it through this time without trust.
It's not easy.
Lord, it's not easy. Sometimes the pain in my life
It makes you seem so far away.
far away without trust. I need to know your
As long as I pray to the Father, I know I can make it.
through the tears and the pain,
Thank you, Jesus.
through the heartache and rain. I'll trust you.
I trust you. Sometimes it's so hard because everything that I see tells me not to believe.
Everything that I see tells me not to believe, but I'll trust you, Lord. You have never found me. My past still controls me.
Things that happened to me 10 years ago.
This hurt ever leave.
Yeah.
I can only trust you. No one loves like you
But it's
do.
the thoughts in my mind.
So many painful thoughts travel through my mind, and I wonder
I will make it.
I will make it through.
Oh God, but I trust you.
I'll trust. Lord, it's not easy.
Sometimes the pain in my life,
Sometimes the pain
oh God, makes you seem so far away. Can I get a witness, somebody? But God, I trust you.
I need to know you're here.
Through the tears,
Through the tears and the pain, through the heartache and rain,
anybody ever had to cry late in the midnight hour?
tears and the
Every tear you had to cry. Through the heartache and rain. Come on, take it out through the tears. Oh, that's right, through the heartache. Listen, somebody's going through something right now. The devil's trying to convince you that there's no way you can make it out. And he says you're not going to be able to get out of this situation. But I wish somebody would make the devil out of a lie right now and lift your hands and say, God, I will trust you. I don't know how you're going to do it. I don't know when you're going to show up. But God, I know you're going to do it.